Nandito na naman po tayo. Ito po, makikita natin kung paano magtrabaho ang ating Pangulo. Panoorin po natin.
Today marks a new chapter in your lives as officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. After months of training, discipline, and sacrifice, you now assume the responsibility of defending our country and serving our people. Mabuhay ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas!
Andito ngayon tayo sa Bucana Bridge. It is a 1.3 kilometer bridge. Kasama ito sa buong bypass na ginagawa around Davao City. Ang estimate natin, ang biyahe na dati halos 2 oras ay mababawasan, magiging mga 25 minutes, 20 minutes na lang. We will open the bridge on the 15th, December 15, gagawin na. Ang pinakamalaking biyaya, the biggest treasure that we have are these, our children, the future of our country.